we've been mocha mommies and mocha mousses for a long time. But thank you, Pantone, for... Hello, babes. Where are all my mocha mommies at today? Where y'all at in the house? Well, welcome to Brown Girl Bella. If you haven't guessed it, we're going to be diving into the Pantone color of the year, which is called Mocha Mousse. We're going to describe the color, even go further into the Pantone color, and then we're going to put together a fabulous Mocha Mousse inspired look. So if you're ready, let's go, babes.
Brown Girl Bella.
Okay, so first and foremost, the Pantone color of the year for 2025 is Pantone 17-1230. That is Mocha Mousse. It's described as a soft brown color hue that's rich, warming, and comforting. Pantone describes it further by saying that Mocha Mousse is a mellow brown that invokes thoughtful indulgence. It's sophisticated and lush. That's also unpretentious and classic. And it's a color that nurtures with its suggestion of chocolate, coffee, and cacao. And it's a color that suits a wide variety of individual skin tones across a wide variety of undertones. So let's be clear. The color of the year is us, brown girls. But we've been mocha mommies and mocha mousses for a long time. But thank you, Pantone, for discovering us yet again and putting us back on the map. But guess what? We've already been here, boo. So let's get into this color story and paint this face a delicious mocha mousse without any further delay. And you know I had to grab for this eye look the ultimate in mocha. Mother Pat. This is Mothership number 7, Divine Rose. And I'm going to start off with Veloria, which I've already put in the eye socket as our first transition color. And we're going to just lightly blend it upwards into the brow bone. This is the Repper 15, if I didn't mention that earlier, that we're using as our eyeshadow brush. Take that same Veloria and we're going to put it down on our lid as well. So it's going to be all over the eye. Extreme Mahogany, and let me show you that from Divine Rose. So we want to just punch that color in very lightly at the tail end of our eye, just to accent that outer V of the eye. And again, we're punching it very, very lightly because we don't want it to overpower Veloria, which we put all over the eye. We just want to accent it just a little bit in the outer corners with Extreme Mahogany. For the lid, I'm going to use my fingers and I'm going to dip into 2 colors to kind of really pop and accent that mocha color. I'm going to start with Cosmic Bloom, which is right here next to Extreme Mahogany. Right? Hang on a second. Did I get that color right? Let me see. No. So with my finger, I'm going to go into this color here, which is Sable Bronze, just to give this look a little sparkle while keeping in the mocha tone. This is going to give us just a little sparkle to the eye, but also keeping to our Mocha Mousse colorway. Isn't that delicious? So even though it's a bronze, because we have those brownish colors on, it sort of takes on that color since we have it as the base and makes it a little bit more brown, which of course is exactly what we're going for, right, babes? And then once you have the lid saturated to your desired effect, what I'm going to do, wipe off my finger, go back with our same 15 brush, trying to show you how we can use the same brush over and over again for a complete eye look without messing up a lot of brushes. And I'm just going to lightly, I have some brush fall out on my face. Let me just grab those off. Okay. And now we're going to take that same brush and lightly just feather in our shade to the lid. You know, we have hooded eyes, but we do want to make sure that our beautiful work that we did on the crease and the outer V is still there. So we're just going to lightly just blend this in. So again, that there's no harsh lines. We're going to finish off the look using our Makeup Forever pencil in Endless Cacao. We're going to use this on the lower lash line. We're going to finish off the eye look with a little Lancome mascara primer. And then we're going to top it off with the mascara. I'm going to use Milani's highly rated lengthening mascara. But look at that. Oh, so good. Eyes are done. Let's move over to the rest of the face and do our blush next. And you know I had to bring out this chocolate goodness. This is from MAC, and this is Sweet as Cocoa, which is one of my favorite blushes to wear during this time of the year. So I'm just going to grab one of my Shikahoto brushes and start to lightly dust it upwards onto the cheeks. Okay, I love it right about here. So now we're going to go to the next step, which is applying our bronzer. I want to be really light with the application. So I grabbed my Caramel Cutie from Fenty. And again, we're just going to lightly dust it along the hairline, along the jawline, underneath the jawline. Again, I just want it to be a little warm. It's not the focus. The focus is the overall look of Mocha. Lastly, again, I want to go for precision here. So I grabbed the Pillow Talk. This is the Pillow Talk Multi Glow. This is a beautifying all over highlighter. But in this case, I'm just going to take the brownish section right here. It's like a brown gold color. And again, we're just going to lightly highlight here. For the lips, we have YSL in number 121. A perfect Mocha Mousse-esque look, if I do say so myself. Lovely, lovely shine, beautiful pigmentation, just the right amount of mocha-ness for ultimately juicy, shiny, luxurious looking lips. And don't forget our Makeup Forever liner in Endless Cacao. So that's it, babes. All of the details of products that I use will be down in the description box below. If you got this far, don't forget to give us a like and share it out to your friends, to your foes, to all you knows, and let them know Brown Girl Bella is the place to be for Mocha Mousse inspired looks and so much more. Thank you for watching. Now you have been Bellafied.